Would you ever buy a car without popping the hood? Then why in the world would you buy a house without checking the roof? Today I'm breaking down exactly why hiring a roofer before you buy could be the best investment you make, and why skipping it could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. So let's dive in. A roof is one of the most expensive parts of a home. A failing roof can cause interior leaks, mold growth, structural damage such as rot or framing issues, and it could cause your energy bills to skyrocket from poor ventilation or just bad insulation. Key fact: the average new roof in the U.S. costs somewhere between $10,000 and $30,000. Now, do you want to be the example and part of that by buying a home and then having to replace that roof that cost you $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000? Now, home inspectors are generalists. They're usually not roofing specialists. They usually inspect from the ground or go up in the attic. A lot of times they do not take a close look at the roof. And that's because the roof could be steep, it could be fragile, or it could be a metal roof, and those things are not easy to walk on. So some common issues that inspectors could miss during their inspection: hail damage, poorly installed flashings, worn out pipe boots, weak underlayment, or just that improper ventilation. An inspector might note roof looks aged, but they won't catch that missing drip edge or that improperly sealed valley that could leak after the first big storm. If a roofer finds problems, you have serious leverage before closing. So what can you negotiate for? Well, maybe the seller repairs the roof before closing, or maybe the seller reduces your purchase price, or the seller offers credit for repairs. You could be that client that negotiates $15,000 off of the purchase price because we found damage before you purchased the home. Roof inspections can pay for themselves many times over. There could be hidden issues even newer roofs might have. And just because the roof looks new doesn't mean it's problem-free. Issues that can still happen. The shingles could have been nailed improperly. There could be missing ventilation. The warranty might not be registered properly. And there's just defective materials that are not visible yet. And you wouldn't know these things without someone who installs a roof every day. Now, what are some possible warranty problems? One thing you got to know is not all warranties transfer. And some manufacturers void warranties if the original install was not done correctly. You could be stuck with repairs and not covered at all. A professional roofer can help verify the warranty status, the installation quality, and the manufacturer requirements for those warranties. So bottom line, roofs are too expensive to gamble on. Getting a professional roofer to inspect your future home is smart, strategic, and can save you some very costly surprises down the road. At Camel City Roofing, we offer detailed pre-purchase inspections so you can move forward with total confidence. If you're buying a home, give us a call, book an inspection, and make sure your dream home doesn't turn into a nightmare roof bill later.